I recommend clients to always have a 3PL in place because you never that it stops it. It's like a backup essentially where you never go out of stock, and and you're able to do a lot more with it. Like for example, we for this one client, we timed it perfectly. Like we would send it to Amazon, and like we got it to where it's timed perfectly, so we never ran out of stock. But for some reason, Amazon did their Amazon thing where they waited 2 weeks to process our inventory. So technically, we were out of FBA stock for 2 weeks. We timed it perfectly, but we
Mhm.
usually Amazon does its 24, 72 hour like processing. But no, they decided to take 2 weeks on this, which in this case would have been extremely bad. We would have missed hundreds of $1,000s of sales. But since we had that 3PL in place, it really saved our butt as a backup when it came to that. So I always recommend having a 3PL in place so that way you can be on Shopify, Walmart, Amazon, and all be at least have a backup in place for Amazon. So that way you, in cases like that where you can always have inventory in place.